to another bland cooking show with no intentional purpose but to look at and fill in time. This week we have internationally known Australian cook Gordon Ramsay and contestant winner Jeff, a lazy teenager.
Gordon Ramsay's cooking challenge. We know that Coke is for winners and brings happiness. That's why we drink Pepsi Max. Cheers.
G'day and welcome to Gordon Ramsay's Cooking Challenge. Today we have Jeff. So Jeff, what are you making today?
Cake.
Sounds very nice. What are you having in this cake?
Monster.
Woo, that's the way. How do you expect this to end out?
Alright.
Has this ever been done before, or is this a world first?
World first.
That's the way. This show we pride ourselves on.
Okay. Hi, I'm Gordon Ramsay, and this is my cooking challenge show. Today, I'm versing a little cockhead that's a teenager, and he thinks he can beat me, but he ain't. Fuck you,
So, Gordon Ramsay, why did you start out in the cooking business?
Well, I made 2 minutes noodles when I was younger. I thought I might be a great chef.
Oh, that's not bad. So, what's your favourite hair product?
Don't have one.
Oh, really? Oh, doesn't show.
No, don't even use one.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
So, what's your favourite?
greatest talent.
What's your greatest talent? Oh, alright. So, what's your greatest talent, Gordon Ramsay?
Making food. That I
Can't
spit
complain with
in
that.
at my restaurants.
Can you taste it?
Yeah.
Not that they notice or anything.
Nah. They're into the fancy shit.
That's what they pay for.
That's what
Quality.
Add some extra taste.
Woo!
Yep.
Alright, so I'll get an egg here. What the fuck is this? This isn't an egg. We need to get the freshest eggs. Let's go into the pantry. Here's an Angry Bird. They usually have the freshest eggs. Oh, check out these babies. Yeah. Oh yeah, they're good. Alright. Right. There's no flour in this. Where can I get some flour? I know. Flowers! Where's some flour? Found some flowers, they're up ahead. I found some flowers. I got myself some flowers. Alright, now I'll put some oil in. Now, I gotta mix it all in. Alright, now for some cocoa. That's it.
And we'll be right back to this great program after a short commercial.
And tonight On CBS, we have Teddy Toaster, the Dragon Hunter. This could be his final episode. I don't know. We'll just have to wait and see.
Guy, we're gonna be looking for the dragons. The dragons are up here. Okay, come through here. Watch your step or you're gonna hit the cactuses. And up here, oh, I found a good one. This is dragon egg. The dragon egg must be, mate, the dragon is inside. Come on. Okay, the dragon must be here. Oh shit, I think I found her. Oh no, he's eating Jimmy Olive. Jimmy Olive is dead. I'm gonna have to get this dragon. Oh no, dragon,
Ever wanted to go to school and do nothing? Well, now you can. At this school, behind these useless kids, is a school supporting the VCAL program. For idiots. The great thing about it is, you don't even need to turn up for school. You can bludge and skip every class, just like these degenerate imbeciles are doing right now.
So what do you think of VCAL?
Oh, it's fucking tops, mate. Oh, it's great. Building a greenhouse at the back. Oh, it's great. It's just great.
Oh, it's fucking awesome.
What the fuck's VCAL, mate?
Oh, VCAL's alright, mate.
It alright?
Requirements for VCAL.
Requirements for the fucking building out the back. Oh, I think it's about 17 feet by 15 feet.
I'm not sure.
I think you have to be able to draw a circle or some shit like that.
What requirements?
I draw smiley faces all the time. That's all you have to do.
What are your artistic skills?
Oh, me, fucking none. Fucking, that's just for poofters.
Crayon.
Draw the fuck out of a smiley face.
Drawing smiley faces. Yeah, I'm really good actually.
Can't draw a circle for shit.
Who do you hang out with?
Oh, Jono, Jono, he's fucking lad. What we do, right, is we get our hot cups of coffee and we just tip it on him and he gets scolded. It's fucking hilarious.
I weigh bricks.
Please.
Well, me and my mate Brad, right? Well, we go out and we're on Smoko. He pours cups of coffee on me. It's fucking hilarious.
Brett.
Ah, Trent. Ah.
Would you recommend VCAL to others?
Oh, fuck it. It's a great lunch.
Yeah.
Well, why wouldn't I? It's fucking awesome.
Fuck yeah.
Fuck yes.
And now back to Gordan Randy. It's not healthy.
Holy shit! Fucking Jimmy Olive! Get the fuck out! Fucking psychopath.
Healthy.
It's not healthy.
Oh,
Thank
fuck.
you, the
I need
children.
to fucking back up here.
The children. It's not.
Now put the monster in. Stir it up a bit. Get the fuck off my lawn, you Get off! Back to cooking. The cake will be ready now.
Cake?
This is my cake.
Holy.
Oh, shit.
Must have forgot to turn the oven on.
This isn't my cake. Pretty sure we seen you make that cake. It was in that cake tin.
It was in that very oven.
I did not add flowers.
You didn't add flour to a cake? Jimmy Olive, shut up!
Pretty sure we see it now. Gordon Randy wins.
But my cake.
This is Gordon
Oh,
Randy's
yum.
lovely cake right here.
Yeah.
Now you'll listen to me because you have to think of the children!
And the winner is...
Gordon Randy! It's not healthy.
Remember to buy one of Gordon Randy's chef hats. Free trial for the first 3 days. If you don't like it, just send it back or buy it for $333.33. Process handling and miscellaneous costs not included.
Party rock people! You are rocking with the best. Yeah! Party rock, hey! Party rock, hey! Now put your hands up if you came to party tonight. And put your drink up if it got you feeling alright. Now where my sexy ladies, make some noise, make some noise. And if you down with Swayze, make some noise, make some noise. Sex, drugs, rock and roll.